Hello there, I'm Kimberly with My Victorian Heart, and I just wanted to share the Pentart Laser Gel with you. A customer asked us if we could get this for her, and we hadn't carried it before. We were planning on getting it, but thank you so much, Donna, for the kick in the pants that we needed to order it. But yeah, we have some, and we have it in 7 colors, and we'll add more colors to the lineup soon. But wow. I mean, Donna, you weren't kidding. This stuff is really beautiful. And I'm just going to show you really quick what it looks like on bare wood. You don't even have to prime this. Just make sure, you clean it, get any oils or wax off before you apply this. But I'm in love, and it's beautiful. So this is the color Chestnut. And this is called Laser Gel, as you can see, and I'll show you what it looks like. So it's amazing. It goes on really smoothly, and I just want to show you, look what it does with the grain of this wood. This is just a little old shelf sitter plaque I got at Hobby Lobby on clearance from last Easter, and so I'm painted the inside of this because I'm going to decoupage it. But I just am going to demonstrate for you the beauty of this stuff. And we have it in a color called Cherry, and we have it in Mahogany and Country Green, I think Country Rose, or like a light rose pink color. Really cool. We have it in white. I can't think of the other colors right now, but we have 7 of them. I just got them in yesterday. But isn't that fantastic? Like, oh my gosh, I love it. It's, and if you, the more you coat it, the little bit darker it'll be. And you can blend this with other laser gel colors, and I am wild for this stuff. So here, let's do this part up here. And I think that this is going to be so pretty with the new autumn and fall rice paper designs from Decoupage Queen. This is what I'm going to be putting one of those designs in this little plaque, and also on this IOD arched wood gallery panel. And as you see, I've already painted the inside there. But yeah, this isn't really like, this laser gel it isn't like a paint per se. It's more like a gel kind of stain almost. And wow, I'm wild about it. And you can wipe it back like this if it's too dark. You can just step it back a little bit with a cloth. I'm using a paper towel. I don't know where my cloth is. I think it fell on the floor. But yeah, I love it. I like the way it enhances the grain of your wood. It is just fabulous. And let's go. We're gonna we'll do this side over here now. This has some interesting green over here. And the thing that I like too is, if you have like this imperfect piece of wood, and it may have like a ding, a dent, a flaw, a scar, like it just enhances it, and it makes it look pretty, and it's like vintagey, and I'm wild about that. So I just wanted to show you guys, and we have some in the shop. We have kind of limited supply, because we were trying it out, and boy, do we love it. So if you have any questions, you can call us, or send us a live chat, or a Facebook message, or email. All our contact information is on our Facebook page and on our website at myvictorianheart.com. So check out the Pentart collection, and wow, this is awesome new creative joy. We're so glad we got it. Thanks, Donna. Bye-bye.